Starting college is exciting, but it can also feel like a big step, especially if you are thinking about what comes next. At Coleg Gwent, we're here to help learners explore their options and make informed decisions about their futures. Think about university, an apprenticeship, a dream job, maybe even starting your very own business. If university is on your mind, we can help you explore courses, complete your application and connect you with universities for expert advice. If you're heading straight into work or an apprenticeship, we've got you covered with CV writing, job searches and interview prep to help you stand out from the crowd. Got a business idea? Our Enterprise Champion works with over 100 successful businesses that come into college to help you launch, grow and succeed. Plus we run events all year round for our students to meet employers or chat with universities. Our team are based across all campuses, so you can pop in for a chat whenever and wherever you need us. No question is too big or too small. We're here to make sure you're ready for whatever comes next.